Hello guys, it's Esther and I'll show you how to draw Ice Dragon from Kirby. So for the first step, we're going to use a pencil and draw a big old teardrop with two bumps on the side, on the left side. So the first bump is a little bit more curved and the second pointy. Alright, well now let's go over with marker and make the mouth a little bit curved. Then the feet are going to be ovals. And the second one, you're not going to be able to see it completely. The arm is a C with two lines. And then at the end, we're going to curve the mouth in. The eye is two circles and you color in the bigger one. And then for the back, we're going to add the tail and 4 bumps. And then create a line for the tummy and the hand. And that is Ice Dragon. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel to get the latest updates where I upload every week. Thank you.